What's up guys, it's Laashak here again in a new video with a brand new unboxing again. So here I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds. As you guys know, last week I unboxed my AirPods and I just showed it in another video. Make sure you go check that out. And this video I'm gonna unbox the Galaxy Buds. And later I'm gonna put a review on the Galaxy Buds. And as I said before, a review on the AirPods and a comparison of both of them. So both of them are like the best you know earphones that each of them offer, like this from the Apple side and this from Samsung. So for this video, let's cover about it's going to be about unboxing the Galaxy Buds. So let's put the AirPods away. So here we go. Let's get a knife to cut the seal. So okay. So let's be a little bit careful. Okay, I just did. So it's the same unboxing feeling as the iPhone side. So you just pull it out, it falls out. Yeah. So there's another part, like two side tapes. So let's remove the other part. And yeah, okay, it just fell off. Good feeling. So before that, let's just see the box itself. Here we have some information about the battery life. The AKG is like basically the Samsung's own like sound quality thing. You have wireless charging, which I'm super excited to like test it out. And I might use this too for recording my videos, because as it says in the back, it's gonna have studio sound. So I'm really excited. I want to check the microphone quality in both of them. And so as far as the unboxing is concerned, let's take the buds out. So first, I guess we have another box here, and we have the user manual here. Like let's just pull it off here. Yeah. So that's how it looks. Let's open it before going into the earbuds itself. Galaxy Buds. Let's pull that out. Okay, here. So yeah, simple instruction book and stuff. We should charge the Galaxy Buds before using, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Put it on charge. So it's the same thing in French and English. Here we go. So let's put that aside. Let's move it. Open this small box which came in this part of the box. So let's just open it. Okay, this is how we do open it, and I already can see some earbuds inside and a charger. So that's what I was expecting. So yeah, it's a Type C cable, so I can like literally charge it on my phone's charger. Cause yeah, and here we go. So we have some buds that I'm not gonna remove right now, because I just don't like want to put everything in the spotlight, you know what I mean. So now the buds itself, so let's remove it. You have a small strap that you can just pull so that the buds come out, and you have this plastic wrapping around it, and the LED indicator in the front. It feels super comfortable and awesome. Just like opening it gives me a good feeling. So yeah, when I open it, it's just like the iPhone side, and it detects that I opened the case. So the buds itself feels super premium, soft, small. That's what I'm like really impressed, because it's so small. When you compare it with AirPods, that I'll just do it right now. So these are AirPods, and you know that's the size comparison. It's pretty big. Uh, these are the charger ports. Yeah, feels the iPhone is like, I mean, the AirPods go with the iPhone only, and they cause they lack some functions when they connect to the Android side. But the Galaxy Buds can really pair up with any device and they work perfectly fine. So I can see that they're charging, I guess. I'm not sure though. So that's it for today's unboxing, guys. Stay tuned for the comparison and like the review of each of these devices. Thanks for watching, guys. Meet you soon. In my next video. Guys, it's Laashak. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You know, you can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my